Finally, the bug bounty hunting, that on this particular session that we will be learning about how exactly we can do bug bounty. We will teach you the basic baby steps of doing bug bounty. We will even do some serious stuff like OTP bypass and HTML injection and a couple of subdomain directories. But this is just a small fish when it comes to the ocean called bug bounty. If you really wanted to learn more about the bug bounty, I would suggest you to go and have a look at this HackerOne, and they are providing you some free training. You can go over here. You can see here there are some free trainings available related to bug bounty, and you can even do some capture the flag content, some game kind of a stuff, right? Is it free? Absolutely free. So you can even try these bug bounty programs, and you can even join them and try to, like work with their clients to understand or to identify the vulnerabilities, available with their mobile applications or maybe web applications or whatever. Now, if you're good enough, if you're really providing a good reports, very convincing reports, you will even get paid, guys. That is the most beautiful part of it. So at the last 10th one that we are doing a lot of walkthroughs, guys, this is the most important part when it comes to our specific training over here. You can see there are 15 vulnerable boxes. 5 of them we have taken from TryHackMe, 5 of them we have taken from Hack the Box, 5 of them we have taken from Vulhub. These are different platforms which contains a lot of vulnerable machines for us to practice. So you will be putting all the knowledge that you have acquired from throughout this session. You will be putting those knowledge into these vulnerable machines. You will try to break into these machines, and you will be get yourself confident on that. And I will be doing a walkthrough for about 5 to 6 machines, and remaining all you will be working on it. But these machines are openly available in the internet. You can search for the walkthroughs and get the stuff done. But at the end of the module, I will be giving my own created machine, which is created by me, and I have hidden the flags. You won't be able to get any assistance in the Google, and I will be giving you as an exam for you to break into this and to show it to me at the end of the class. So do not worry that if you are unable to do the break, that we will teach you how to break it and somehow we will pass. But I'm just telling you that is being a part of this. So now I have told you there are 4 more practical sessions that I haven't listed on this particular session. We will be covering cryptography as well. We will be teaching you cryptography in the sense not the theoretical nonsense. We are not going to do that. I will teach you how exactly that you can create the keys, how you can encrypt by using the keys and decrypt by using the keys. And we will be using a tool called OpenSSL. It's a Linux-based tool. You will literally, do the practical to feel the heat of the cryptography. I'm not going to teach you the theory on what is cryptography. I will teach you, but in a very basic manner, but we will step into these practicals. And we will be learning about denial of service and distributed denial of service. We will be studying tools like HOIC, high bit and low orbit and high orbit tools. And we will be doing something called HPing3, a lot of different distributed denial of service, how to create botnets, zombie attacks, UFO net. We will be learning about those things. Finally, we will be focusing on something called firewall and IDS evasion, where you have to create some Metasploit based executable file. By using that file, that you will be able to turn off a firewall. I'm just talking about the Windows-based firewall. I'm just talking the Cisco or network infrastructure firewall. So you will be able to turn off the firewall and get the machine exploited, because in most of the cases, the Windows firewall will definitely block certain attack attempts. So we will teach you how exactly that you can turn it off. And then comes the sniffing and spoofing, man-in-the-middle attack kind of a stuff. We will be learning this on EtherCap. We will be learning Kane Enable, a lot more stuff. We will be focusing on Wireshark and the CLI version of the Wireshark called T-Shark. And we will be learning Network Miner and CAPSA. There is a lot of tools which is actually listed over here. So pretty much you got to learn about more than, I believe, about 70 to 100 practicals that you can see here. These is related to the password breaking. This is related to the vulnerability scanning. You can see the footprinting kind of stuff. You can see exploitation. There is a lot of different frameworks are available. And this is for those who are finishing the CCNA and coming. I'm going to teach you how Yashinia, that is one of the tools which can help you to exploit all the different Cisco protocols and man-in-the-middle attack You can see the phishing tools. You're going to see the sniffing tools, and you're going to do these, denial of service. You're going to see the steganographic tools and encryption. You can see OpenSSL. You're going to do all these practicals, Android penetration testing. You're going to do a little bit of malware forensics. You're going to do a little bit of memory forensics, right? And you're going to do application penetration testing, and you're going to do some a little bit of wireless and hack the box, Hub, and the exams, right? So I am just this is I'm just showing you what we are going to do. It's pretty much covering this entire session. I won't be able to do within an hour. So my entire focus is just to show you what we are going to cover and how we are going to teach, what will be a methodology and stuff like that. So with that being said, thank you very much. If you need any further information regarding this course, if you wanted to learn more about this course, please reach out to Turnkey and get some details. And looking forward to meet you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, guys.